Is that what magicians do? I don't really know. Illusions, Michael. If you've never seen Arrested Development, you won't catch that reference. But if you do, then hey, you're old like me. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Directly below that is the address for my website, sbmitch.com. You can check that out. You'll find shoes that I pull out of beater boxes there for sale, because that's where I sell them, basically. Want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video. It's Reshoevn8r, your home for all your sneaker beautification and cleaning needs. Isn't that what beautification is? I don't really know, but Reshoevn8r has a whole mess of products that you can use to clean or condition or keep your shoes looking fresh. You can use my code until the end of the month. It's SBMitch10. It'll save you 10% off of your entire order from Reshoevn8r.com. And this month we're doing a 3-part series of cleaning a Jordan 6 in the Bulls colorway with each of the 3 individual cleaning brushes. Today we're going to be taking a look at the medium bristle brush, which is designed to be used on things like leathers and maybe like some painted midsoles. So let's check out and see what the medium bristle brush can do to a Jordan 6 that's not really that dirty but could use a cleaning. Good stuff. The nice thing about the Reshoevn8r product line is that it doesn't have any kind of like strong fragrance, and it doesn't leave like a weird film or anything. So when you clean, it conditions a little bit, but it definitely just makes it look a lot better. Go to Reshoevn8r.com, place an order, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off of your entire order. And keep in mind, they also do free shipping and free returns, so that's always a good thing. Reshoevn8r.com, SBMitch10. I think that's all the information you need. The other information in this video is on this shoe right here. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Muslin colorway. Some people are calling it Hennessey. I remember my first beer. I guess that's cool. I don't really know. I mean, is this what a Hennessey bottle looks like? I don't really know. Yeah, whatever. There's a lot of really nice materials on this sneaker. Keep in mind too, when we're doing these like closer look videos, it's not a review. I couldn't tell you anything about performance because I'm just not a reviewer. I just want to show you all the details and all the nice little aspects of these sneakers that you might not notice if you're just looking at pictures. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at this Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Hennessey. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of really nice materials on this sneaker. You got nubuck, you got leather, you got suede, you got patent leather on the heel tab. And the overall colorway is pretty nice, I will say. I'm not a huge fan of it because I don't like darker colored midsoles and outsoles. But this ain't bad. So retail on this shoe was 100 USD. They do kind of fit true to size somewhat. Most people have to go up a half size on these, so keep that in mind when you're looking to try on a Dunk Low SB, because they do have extra padding and it does make it a little bit tighter. Again, this is a general release, but it's still hard to find. Anything with SB attached to it has been hard to find lately. I think resale on these is probably between 150 and 175 right now, so it's somewhat affordable if you really want to take the plunge, but I'm okay with this colorway. It's not too bad. I wouldn't even know what color you would consider this midsole. Would it be like burnt sienna maybe? I don't really know. So there you go. If you have any more questions about this, hit me up in the comments, but there is a closer look of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the muslin colorway, sometimes called Hennessey, on StockX for whatever reason. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you again to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this one here. Remember to use my code SBMitch10 at reshoevn8r.com to save yourself 10% off of your entire order throughout the entire month of March, which ends in like a week or something like that. I'm gonna try and keep on pumping out content for y'all if you really want it, I guess. Maybe I'll do a live stream here and there. Maybe we'll just like, I don't know what kind of live stream we could do. Everyone stay safe, stay healthy, cover your mouth, wash your hands, and until next time, remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye.